So hey guys, welcome back to Cracku and we are live with our CSAB College Predictor. CSAB has already started and we have made a tool in which you can get best of the best choices by just entering your three details, your category, gender and all India rank and tap predict colleges. To get this tool guys, all you need to do is just Google search Cracku CSAB College Predictor, come to this page, and guys, before moving ahead, do check out our YouTube channel and subscribe us guys. It really motivates me and the team to push high quality valuable content for all of you guys. So guys, now let's see how to use our CSAB College Predictor. Let's go to the comment section where students have told us their rank and categories. So a student is asking 1.2 lakh OBC category rank, home state is Chhattisgarh. What are the colleges he can get? So let's fill up all the details. So rank is 1.2 lakh. So I fill up the rank details. Category is going to be OBC NCL and gender neutral. Let's step predict colleges. So we can see here we are getting Birla Institute of Technology, BIT Mesra guys, and the branch is quantitative economics and data science. We can get CSE also in GFTIs. So this is how you can use our CSAB tool guys. All you need to do is just Google search Cracku CSAB College Predictor and don't forget to subscribe. And you can also mention your category and rank details in the comment section. We will get you the best of the CSAB colleges that you can get.